We are in the final stages of another momentous leap forward in our economic, social, and political history. It is therefore right for us to celebrate this important achievement, but in doing so, we must also recognize the new challenges that are before us, as well as the exciting opportunities that we are about to unleash for the benefit of all of our citizens. While the extent of change and the pace of reform of the past 3 years have been described as remarkable, Malta does not afford any disruption on this journey for continued reform. It is not enough to adapt to this new reality. We must exploit the full potential of the euro to ensure maximum growth and progress in all sectors of Maltese society. We are determined not only to meet all our obligations arising from membership in the European Monetary Union, but we are also determined to continue to contribute to the development of the European single market and forge even closer ties with our European counterparts.
The next phase in Malta's economic history, therefore, promises to be a challenging one. But it should also be an exciting time. For a country with a population of 400,000 and a GDP of just €4.5 billion, having a major reserve unit as its domestic currency is indeed a significant advantage.
You can be very proud of Malta's successful convergence process. In fact, we are extremely pleased about the fruitful cooperation between the ECB and the Central Bank of Malta in the preparations for the changeover, be it at the technical level or through the participation of Governor Bonello as observer in the Governing Council since July. As we have seen, the economic and financial environment is changing, and euro area countries are gradually becoming more integrated and mutually interdependent. The effects of EMU have been beneficial, in line with the expectations of the 317 million people in the euro area. My intuition is that as soon as the 1st January, we would be 320 probably, and of course it continues to grow.
This momentous step will bring Malta to the very heart of the European Union. It means that Malta joins a world-class currency and a powerful economic area of 320 million citizens with an almost 15% share of the world GDP. For Malta, the economic benefits of the euro will be substantial. Not only is this the smallest of the EU's member states, it also has one of the most open economies, with average import and export GDP ratios of over 80%. Joining the euro area also offers significant political benefits. It will give Malta a greater say in international financial institutions and greater sway within the European Union. Malta will also gain membership of the Eurogroup at a time this caucus of euro area finance ministers is exerting a growing influence over the direction of EU economic policy.